Ethan Does Growing Mushrooms. Today we're going to be spritzing the mushrooms and harvesting one. So exciting. So let's get straight into it. So I've named this mushroom and its name's Mushy. So I'm going to start harvesting. As close as I can. We got our first mushroom. We got it. So this mushroom was tiny at first, but now it's humongo. Just look, and that's what it used to grow. That is super good looking. This is going to be the tastiest mushroom to eat yet. So I'm going to put it in this paper bag. So I'm going to start spritzing. That's about that. So goodbye for now. So I might cook this mushroom in the middle of the day. That's gonna be nice. I might. So goodbye. Welcome back to Ethan Does Growing Mushrooms. So we're going to be spritzing them first of all. We might pick that mushroom tomorrow because it does look very healthy, but before we do that we should start spritzing. That mushroom's looking that mushroom, so I can't. So, story I forgot to mention, Claude has came back and now we just got soggy right here. I'm so sorry, Claude. So sorry. So we're gonna go right now for tomorrow's Ethan Does Grow Mushrooms.